What's up, guys? All my Sonic OCs gets their new looks with ties. Check this out. Wow. They got new looks. New ties. Awesome.
Besides, this episode is, Iolani the bird moons at Pinkbox's third channel and gets grounded. Anyways, enjoy the show.
Good morning, class. It is time for show and tell. Who wants to go first?
I do, Pinkbox's third channel.
Alright, Iolani.
What I brought for show and tell is this.
Iolani, how dare you moon at me? Go to the principal's office right now.
Why are you here, Iolani?
I moon at teacher for show and tell.
Iolani, how dare you moon at your teacher? I'm calling your parents.
Iolani, how dare you moon at your teacher during show and tell?
But, Hank and Tanzanite. I could not think of anything else to bring for show and tell.
Hank is right, Iolani. It was not an appropriate thing to do.
You're grounded for 5 duo vigintillion 34 un vigintillion 673 vigintillion 628 novum decillion 901 octodecillion 936 septendecillion 354 sexdecillion 783 quindecillion 902 quatuordecillion 83 tridecillion 525 duodecillion 719 undecillion 12 decillion 836 nonillion 638 octillion 409 septillion 243 sextillion 781 quintillion 12 quadrillion 863 trillion 919 billion 273 million 645,839 months. Go to your room right now.
No.